Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Shiksha Chandra Acharya. I am an MPhil scholar of Nepal Open University. My roll number is 80158006 and I am the student of Sociology 2080 winter batch. At the very beginning of my presentation, I would like to request you all to understand it in a very simple way that I am preparing this video to fulfill the partial requirement of my study. And the content I have included into the video are all based on the public sources. I have not researched on any of these specific topics in a broader manner and collected more deeper information on this. The core content that I'm going to present on my video today are: what does ICT mean? What is e-research? Interrelationship between ICT and e-research, use and application of ICT and e-research. These are the content that I'll be talking about today. So let's begin with the introduction of ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communications Technology. It's a blend of technology necessary of handling, transmission and storage of information. It's an integral part of computing and telecommunication technology. For instance, hardware, software, networks, telecommunications, data and processes. The components of ICT are hardware, software, networks, telecommunication, data and processes. They are briefly described below. Hardware stands for computers, servers, smartphones, networking, etc. And similarly, software indicates the applications and operating system. Networks refer to the internet, intranet, other networking technology. Telecommunication includes telephone lines, satellites, various wireless technologies. Data refers to the text, image, audio, video, content, and databases. The process stands for data security, privacy policy, user access control, and operating procedure. And now let's begin the introduction of e-research. E-research stands for electronic research or digital research. It refers to the use of advanced information and communication technologies to conduct researches. It leverages digital tools and resources to enhance traditional research methodologies and enable new forms of data collection, analysis, and dissemination. It is characterized by the ability to handle large volume of data, facilitates collaboration across geographic boundaries, and provide access to a wide range of digital resources. The major aspects of e-research are data collection and analysis, digital repositories and databases, collaboration and communication, and high performance computing, open science and data sharing, ethical considerations. They are simply described below. Data collection and analysis indicates the utilization of digital tools and platforms such as online surveys, census, and social media analytics for gathering data. Use of software for data analysis, including statistical analysis tools, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization application. Digital repositories and databases. Access to extensive digital libraries, databases, and repositories that store academic articles, data sets, and other research materials. Use of metadata and indexing to organize and retrieve digital resources efficiently. And collaboration and communication. Enhanced collaboration through digital platforms that facilitate communication among researchers, such as collaborative writing tools, video conferencing, and project management software. Visual research environments, VRAs, that provide shared spaces for researchers to work together on projects regardless of their physical locations. High performance computing. Use of high performance computing HPC resources to platforms, complex simulations, model large data sets, and conduct computationally intensive research. access to cloud computing services that offer scalable computing power and storage solution. Open science and data sharing, promotion of open access to research outputs, including publications, data and software to increase transparency and reproducibility. Use of digital platforms to share research finding with the broader scientific community and the public. Ethical considerations, addressing ethical issues related to data privacy, security, and consent in digital research. Implementing best practices for data management and governance to ensure responsible use of digital technologies in research. So now moving on to the interrelationship between ICT and e-research, data collection and storage. ICT provides hardware, sensors, computer, mobile devices, etc. and software, databases, data management system, etc. for collecting and storing data, whereas e-research uses these ICT tools to gather large data sets from various sources such as online surveys, digital census, and social media. Data analysis and processing. ICT includes powerful computational tools, high performance computing, that is HPC, and software application for data analysis such as statistical software and machine learning frameworks, whereas research utilizes these computational resources to analyze and interpret complex data sets, perform simulations, and generate insights. Communication and collaboration. ICT offers communication platforms such as email, video conferencing, collaborative software, for example, Google Docs, Slack, etc., and social networks, whereas e-research uses these platforms to facilitate collaboration among researchers globally, enabling real-time communication, sharing of resources, and joint project management. Access to resources and information. ICT provides access to digital libraries, online databases, and repositories of academic publications and data sets, whereas e-research depends on these resources for literature reviews, assessing previous research, and obtaining data necessary for new studies. Data sharing and open science. ICT supports platforms for data sharing and open access publication, including repositories like Shiksha, Zenodo, and institutional repositories, whereas e-research embraces the principles of open science by sharing data, methodologies, and finding through these ICT-enabled platforms to enhance transparency and reproducibility. ICT provides tools for ensuring data security, privacy, and ethical management of digital data, including encryption, secure data storage solution, and access control mechanisms. But e-research implements these tools to comply with ethical standards, protect participant data, and ensure responsible conduct of research. Innovation and methodological advancement. ICT continually evolves, introducing new technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and the Internet of Things (IoT). But e-research adopts these cutting-edge technologies to develop innovative research methodologies, enhance data collection and analysis, and explore new research frontiers. Educational and training opportunities as the interrelationship between ICT and e-research. ICT offers e-learning platforms, virtual labs, and online courses for skill development and training, since e-research uses these platforms to train researchers in new digital methodologies, data science techniques, and the ethical use of technology in e-research. Now moving on to the use and application of ICT in e-research, tools like Google Forms, Survey, Monkey, and Qualtrics enable researchers to gather data from a wide audience quickly and efficiently. Technologies like Hadoop and Apache Spark help researchers analyze large data sets, revealing patterns and insights that would be impossible to detect manually. Platforms like Jupyter Hub and GitHub facilitate collaborative research, allowing multiple researchers to work on the same project from different locations. Tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet enable researchers to communicate in real time, share their screens, and hold virtual meetings and conferences. Services like Amazon Web Service, AWS, Google Cloud Platforms, GCP, and Microsoft Azure provides scalable storage solution and powerful computing resources, allowing researchers to store, share, and process large datasets efficiently. Platforms like Shiksha, Dried, and institutional repositories provide secure storage and easy access to research data and publication. Platforms like PLOS, and ARXIV allow researchers to publish their work and make it freely accessible to the global scientific community. Researchers use platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and ResearchGate to share their findings, network with other researchers, and engage with a broader audience. Use and application of ICT in research. Access the digital libraries such as JS, JSTOR, eXplore, and SpringLink provides researchers with a wealth of scholarly articles and book. Archives like Europeana and the Digital Public Library of America (DPLA) provide access to a vast array of historical documents and artifacts. Tools like MATLAB, Simulink, and ANSYS allow researchers to create detailed simulations and models, aiding in the analysis and understanding of complex systems and phenomena. Online platforms provide virtual laboratory environments for conducting experiments that may be too costly, dangerous, or impractical to perform in a physical lab. Use and application of ICT in research continues here too. Machine learning algorithms and AI tools are used for predictive modeling, data mining, and pattern recognition, providing new insights and enhancing the accuracy of research finding. NLP tools help in analyzing textual data, extracting meaningful information, and automating the review of large volumes of literature. I have concluded my presentation. At the end of this, I would once again request you all not to take my presentation in a very specific way. This may not fulfill the requirement of other people or students who are studying the field similar to mine. At the end, these are all collected from different sources that I have found in the public media, maybe social media too. So please, this is only for the partial fulfillment of my requirement in my study. This is only the objective, and this has to be uploaded in the YouTube as well. So if you have any query and want to communicate with me directly, I would like to request you all to mail me on shikalpa@gmail.com. shikalpa@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.